Kia ora e te whānau. I know, it's weird seeing me on a Wednesday again. But I just got this sweet little happy mail from my friend. It's a belated birthday present, and it's from Leesa. Look at that card. Isn't that stunning? Look at all the little embellishments and bits and pieces. Things like that I put into my journal box for my journal that I will make one day, and all those little pretty bits will go in. So yeah, I just thought, why not share my little happy mail. Leesa is a lovely friend. We've met through my channel. She's always putting beautiful comments and support and love, and we've become closer and closer. Ooh, I know what these are. I believe they are little homemade washi tapes. She's quite clever. She makes all her own little tools. She made me a little sandpaper tool with Velcro on the end of it out of an old cork. Yes, they are. Oh, these will be so handy. Look at those. So many neutral colours. Gosh, you know me, Leesa. Oh, these will be cool. Those are such nice rustic numbers. Ooh, what's this you've made? Coffee and, oh look, it's a little kitty paper clip. Coffee and food dyed papers, yes, my faux washi tape. 2 sheets, thought you might like to make into resin dangles. Ooh, that's a good idea. Oh, these are pretty. Look, that one's got gold in it. Oh, I can definitely make use of those. They are so cool. Look at this. Oh, bless her. We know I'll be keeping this. We know I'll be keeping this. Look at all these. Now she's got a little note here. What I like to do with these laces is to remove the edging. I've already done 2 of them for you. Ooh, that's interesting. Ah, so if you took that off, then you've got a lovely flat lace that's not necessarily gathered or going to give you any bulk to your journal. That is such a good idea. Why hadn't I thought of that? Because I cut them off doilies and napkins all the time. So we got that one. A lovely cotton one. These ones, oh, that's a nice delicate one. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. We can see me using that. Oh, this has just made my day. I just came home from teaching a full day, and these are just, you get something like this and it really makes you smile, doesn't it? Oh yeah, look. Oh, I see. So one of those must be one she's done. Oh, that's such a good idea. It's packed so well. Look at this pile of neutral goodness. Oh, that's cool. That'd be great for texture. Look at that. And different colours of netting. Ah, she tea-dyed that one. We've got a nice white, coffee dyed. That's got a little bit of an extra texture to it. Ooh, spots. Oh, these look so good. Used in little windows and pockets and things. Same with these, because they lay nice and flat. They don't interfere with your acetate or your glue or whatever you're using. Oh, these are brilliant. I'm going to use, ooh, Hessian. That's that colour. That's awesome. Oh, Leesa, you know me too well. Some people would be like, wow, there's really no colour. I'm like, yeah. How exciting. Beiges and creams and whites. These are interesting. Some metallic ribbon. Oh, I can see me using that one first. Silver and gold. They could look quite cute on little tags and pulls and things. What's this? Ooh. Rose gold foil. Oh, I haven't had to play with that stuff yet. Oh, see here, I bet you this is, what is this? Is this a little tool she's made? Might have to ask her what it does if I can't immediately tell. Oh, look, it's, oh, this is a jump ring tool for opening and closing jump rings. Ah, that for the large, that for the small. This tool is to be used in conjunction with a pair of pliers. With the pliers, hold jump ring on one side of the opening plate. Oh, that makes so much sense. You know how I use double pliers? Well, you wouldn't have to use double pliers if you're using this in one set of... Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's fantastic. I am so totally... I do understand. I'm so totally going to use that. It's going to go right next to the other tool you made me. I love that note too. That's such a cool way to put it on there with the brown paper. Oh, some raffia. I like raffia. I've got some brown stuff, but I don't have this colour. It's just, I think it's made out of paper. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's just, I don't know, it's stiffer than any type of ribbon or string that you can get. And it just gives a really rustic feel to some things. And I really like it. I also really love tying presents with it and doing a bow, because see how it makes a really rustic kind of... I love raffia, so that will come in handy. Goodness, got more little surprises in here. Make sure I don't miss anything. Oh, I bumped you, sorry. Alright, what is this little firecracker? A little something for Miss Needles. Needles? She's actually sitting on the end of my bed. Needles, got a present for you too. She is completely ignoring me. She does when I talk to myself. She thinks it's weird when I'm filming. Oh, Needles, look. She's having a nap at the moment. I don't think it's mousy time. She's staring at it though. Oh, that's so cute. Are you happy? Are you happy, Needies? Oh, that's a cute little hidden paper clip. I love that. Oh, look at the detail on there. See, just a little button and lace and a label. That's so cool. I have to use that in the Love Letters and Lace journal. Aw, and you gave me some of those buttons. Little, I think, are they coconut? Made from coconut, I'm pretty sure. Oh, they're so nice and thin too. Oh, Leesa. This is such a pile of goodness. Thank you so much. What a lovely belated little celebration I get to have on for my birthday. I hope you enjoyed the little happy mail opening, and I will see you guys on Saturday where we continue with our Love Letters and Lace. Alright guys, mā te wā.